Democrat gubernatorial candidate Joseph Severino has been caught attempting to create fake AI images depicting his competitors using meth and other drugs with minors. This scandal will be revealed this Thursday evening at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severino, who has previously run unsuccessfully as an independent, a Democrat, and a Republican, is now shifting back to run as a Republican once again. He has a track record of 0 wins and 4 losses, and has struggled to raise campaign funds. Severino is known for his reputation as a narcissist and a pathological liar, which has led none of the political parties to take him seriously. After attacking numerous strong grassroots activists and establishment Republicans, he now has virtually no support throughout the state of Illinois. Severino has falsely accused grassroots leaders of being pedophiles, drug addicts, spies, and habitual criminals, among other fabrications. Moreover, Severino has admitted to having 13 arrests before the age of 18 and has a patchy history of failed businesses, bankruptcies, liens, and numerous civil lawsuits. This raises questions about why he feels entitled to attack anyone's past. Joseph Severino is clearly a psychologically disturbed man with no future in politics.